back at the Mega Web Toyota City Showcase here. It's a weekday, quite empty, but we got a very special showing of the Toyota Century, the third iteration of the Toyota Century. Right over there, we're gonna get some exclusive access for you guys to talk about the details and the specs and all the fun facts about this car. It's gonna be like a Doug DeMuro meets Shmi 150 with a little tad of a F-spot. Here it is, guys, in all its glory, the third iteration of the Toyota Century. The last redesign was in 1997, 21 years ago, guys. We'll do a full 360 review and walk around of this particular car. We actually saw this car a couple of days ago at the same spot here, but I didn't film it because I was being lazy. But now we got the ultimate hookup with Koji, giving us exclusive access to this Toyota Century. So let's get right into it, guys. I totally overlooked this car last year at the Tokyo Motor Show. Not really sure what I was thinking. I think I was just jet lagged or completely out of it. Not impressed by the fact that the Toyota Supra was not released at that show. But here it is, guys, the $180,000 Rolls-Royce competitor, or I don't know, or the Bentley competitor. What do you guys think? You guys are probably wondering who wants to own this car. Mostly CEOs, politicians that don't want to outwardly flex. They kind of want to semi-flex at the same time. You definitely need a chauffeur in the front seat because this car is built to be driven in, and it starts at 180,000 US dollars. 50 units a month, 600 units a year. Got the exterior paint, and it's called Eternal Black. 7 layers with clear coating, and the black paint gives it like a really ultra deep shine. This third iteration of the Toyota Century is a V8 hybrid, unlike the previous iterations, which had a V12. We're getting up close and personal next to this ornate grille, which serves as a backdrop to the handcrafted Phoenix emblem that takes 6 weeks to create and make. Now this section is it's called the Infinite Loop Crown Design. It's split into several sections, which signifies harmony and prosperity. So the more you know, right? These are the, how many colors? Just 4 colors?
Yes.
Wow, 4 color options on the Toyota Century right here, guys. Wow.
How long would it take to arrive?
When I heard the dealer last week, they said that within this year it's already full. So it should be next
Okay. Next year, got it. Here we go, guys. We've got the interior, the wool interior, very plush. 20 speaker sound system, very spacious. A lot of leg room. Got the center console right here with a massive screen. All right, let's get inside this sucker. Oh, there's a lot of space in here. Wow. Oh, and by the way, I'm wearing sneakers today, so yep, definitely upgraded. All right, guys, we're currently in the rear seat. Now, if you look at the ceiling right up here, try to focus in on the ceiling design. It's called the Manji design. That's correct. It represents perpetual prosperity at home and longevity. Currently inside the car, it's got an active noise control system to reduce noise and vibration when you turn on the engine. So you can't really hear anything from the outside. It's very quiet, very peaceful. Got the center console turn on here. Most of the options are not activated right now because the car is actually off. But check out this door handle, or this door lever right here. Wood finish, wool interior, very plush. 20 speaker sound system in here as well. A Blu-ray player here, and you can put your like mini SD card there as well. What else is in here? Put your pocket change, I guess. And oh, it's like a little power outlet. Very nice. Got the Toyota Century right here, all over the car, guys. Hopping into the front seat, we got the Century logo on the door sill right here. I don't usually think anyone really sits in the passenger seat here because you're supposed to be chauffeured in this car, so you're never gonna really spend any time up front here, guys. Chris Morrison's gonna close the door, and boom. It is absolutely quiet in here. And the car's not even on because it has noise. It's got active noise reduction. So it actually stifles and mutes the engine noise when you turn it on, and the vibrations as well. And we got the Phoenix logo right here at the steering wheel. Mainly thanks to Koji, and we're gonna hop on out here. Oh, Thank you.
coin, sir.
Oh, I dropped my coin. Thank you very much, sir. Wow. One last look of the interior, guys. Now, I did see this car last year at the Tokyo Motor Show. Now, this is built for politicians, low-key CEOs. You don't want to be like some sort of F-boy, you know, buying this $180,000 car, this Toyota Century, this classy car, and be driving it at the front. You definitely need a chauffeur. This is a car meant to be driven in. And you can tell in the rear here, well, we can't really see here, but like the roof has been elevated for more headroom. For those who are wondering what Mega Web is at the Toyota Center, we got all of their current lineup right here for you to sit in, chill in, check out before you buy the models. And of course, we got the ultimate hookup from Koji in the white shirt right there. I'll link his Instagram right here. It's the best host that we've had. Got a deep blue color that we just saw in the pamphlet, getting the ultimate access here, guys. Many thanks to Koji. This deep blue color is absolutely stunning. $180,000 for this car. Apparently, if you order one now, you cannot get the car until next year. That's how booked they are. We got the curtains raised. I forgot to mention that these cars have curtains on each side of the rear and the back as well for complete privacy. Check out the wheels right here, the deep blue right there with the golden phoenix emblem. Pretty sick. All right, there it is again, the ultimate hookup at the Mega Web Toyota Center. Let's get that color right there. Look at that. Athena Beauty, 431 horsepower hybrid V8. Last iteration was the V12, and we're going back in. There it is, guys, the Toyota Century in the flesh, $180,000. Would you guys buy one? Let me know in the comments below. Would you get one over a Rolls-Royce, which is double the price, or a Bentayga or a Bentley? You guys let me know in the comments below. For now, we're gonna head out and continue the journey, guys. Here we go. Out we go. Boom. Woo. Right as we walk out, we got the obligatory dog spot. We got 3 golden retrievers. Not one, but 3. A really, really rare sight here in Japan.